Okay. So are we alive or not? Okay. Oh, now I see we are live. It's live. Welcome. Finally. Sorry, I'm not the best streamer, and yeah, that's why I needed some time to figure out how to start everything. So let's do a very quick checkup, sound check, and then in a couple of minutes we are going to start. I needed some time to. So, oh, I see Danny Paredes. Hi, Danny. How are you doing? Yeah, this is the t-shirt with the new logo. Looks awesome, really. Yeah, many people, by the way, asked me where did I get this T-shirt. Well, this is because being Google Developer Expert, they sent me this T-shirt, so this is how I get it. Yeah. Okay, let me have a look in the chat. Do we have any questions so far? No. Hi everyone. Hello. I'm happy to see you all, and I think we can actually already start. Anyway, this stream will be available. The recording will be available, so yeah, everyone who came later can watch it when they can do that. Yeah, thank you, Gabriel. I hope, yeah, the material the material I will present today, you will like. And yeah, let's get started then. And yeah, please make sure that this is the last chance to take part in a giveaway. So if you want to get the course that I'm going to present right now, you have to perform these 3 very simple steps. First of all, you have to subscribe to this channel, then you have to leave any comment under the video from which you can open by scanning this QR code. And it is very important, by the way, because the randomizer I will be using for picking the winner, it scans the comments under some particular video. So it is important that you leave any comment there. It can be one simple word, yeah, anything basically. And the last but not least, you have to share in your favorite social media like LinkedIn, Twitter, or X, how it's currently renamed. And you have to share any of your favorite video, but not just random video from the YouTube with cats or something. You have to share a video from my channel. So just go to the channel and check some video you like. Maybe it's a video about dependency injection, change detection, whatever. Just pick the one and share it in any social media, and then you will be able to take to participate in the giveaway that will be in the end of the stream. So, quick agenda, how this everything will be happening. So, first of all, I will share with you some news and updates. Then we will have a look at the new course actually, and then there will be a giveaway. And after that, I can stay for another 15-20 minutes. We can talk, you can ask me any questions and I will try to answer them. Maybe you will have answers about the course itself, so you can ask there and I will answer. All right. So let me share with you some cool numbers that particularly impressed me. Recently, I hit more than 41K of subscribers, and my channel reached this year 2.1 million views in total since the channel exists. And this is just amazing. When I started, I definitely didn't expect these numbers, though relatively they are not so high, but for me personally it means so much. And yeah, guys, thank you all. Thank you for your views, for your comments, for everything, yeah, for your likes, because it motivates me to make more content. It motivates me to create courses and yeah, share more Angular knowledge and Angular content with you. And yeah, now let's very quickly go through course updates. If you didn't know, I have multiple courses, and the first one, it's Angular material theming, and yeah, this year this course was re-recorded basically like from scratch. Yeah, the old content remains available, but there was added additional section where I completely from scratch made the course. I made it with Angular 15, and because since the release of this course, Angular material introduced a couple of breaking changes, and it was not very easy then follow the course, so that's why it had to be re-recorded, and I invested some time to it, and it was currently it is available. And in addition, in the future I will bring update to Angular 17. It will not be like re-recording from scratch, because the difference between Angular 15 and 17 is not so big, and it's pretty much comfortable to follow the course. I will just drop a couple of videos, maybe one video, one lesson where I show how to migrate like to Angular 16 and then to the 17. And I will add definitely lessons about token-based theming API when it will be available, when it became stable. Yeah, because currently it is used only in the Angular material experimental, and it is not released, so we have to wait until it will be officially like used in the Angular material, not the experimental one, and when it will become stable. So this is what about Angular material theming course, and the next one is Angular interview hacking, which is quite popular course on my platform, yeah, that consists of only my courses. Yeah, it's relatively popular. There I collected questions and answer for like most popular Angular questions, and this year it wasn't updated, but a lot of things happened since the release of this course, and yeah, I will add definitely lessons, questions and answer related to new concepts that appeared in Angular, like standalone API exists already in the course. I think like signals and all these new things like inject function and other stuff. So this will be added to this Angular interview hacking course later this year, not this next year, already next year. Good. Then the next advanced Angular forms. Most of you probably know this course. This is like fortunately for me it became bestseller, and I got really a lot of feedbacks from you guys, positive feedback, and yeah, thank you very much for enrolling into this course. I really hope that you learned a lot of cool stuff from here. And for this, after the release of this course, I added 2 sections to it during this year. I introduced a section with dynamic forms. This is when you create forms from some JSON configs. So you have JSON config that you get from the server, and based on that you have to render the form. And also I added the section about global validation error handling, because when very often you when you validate a form or form control that has a lot of validators, then you have a lot of these if-else statements, and you have a lot of boilerplate in the component template. So to get rid of it and make everything more scalable, more clean, I introduced this section where we do everything dynamically, and it looks really cool. I highly recommend to check out this section if you didn't see it. Right. And what about future updates? It will be migrated to Angular 17. It will be migrated, and there will be added another lessons, particularly in the dynamic forms section, because there you asked me quite a lot to add functionality when we render the dynamic form, and we want to render, for example, form array, and we want to interactively add and remove items from there. And this is something that was highly requested, and I will definitely add it later next year. Okay, let me very quickly check the chat and make sure that everything is okay with stream, because I manage it alone, and yeah, it might happen that stream is stopped for whatever reason, and I'm just talking to the wall. Yeah. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I see some questions in the chat. Okay, let's do the following, guys. I will finish the presentation, finish my talk, then we do giveaway, and then I answer all these questions you left in the live chat. But let's continue. So, advanced Angular forms. I was very surprised. I was very nervous when I was introducing this course, and I was very happy to see the positive feedback from the Angular community, particularly from the Google Developer Experts community. And yeah, you can see Amado, Google Developer Expert for Angular, and by the way, check out his blog, absolutely awesome articles there, and this is the feedback he provided. And also I got the similar feedback from Fatima Amzel, who is also GDE in Angular, and also has a beautiful blog that I enjoy reading. And last but not least, Aristidis Bambakos, my friend from Greece, he also dropped this awesome feedback. And Aristidis, he's author of multiple Angular books, and I'm happy that I have also such a book with his signature, by the way, and I really enjoyed this book. And the link to, I don't know, this book, or yeah, probably link to this book, you can see currently in the on the slide. And if you prefer books, reading books, then I definitely recommend his book. He's a great author. And yeah, thank you all, guys. Thank you, GDE community, for your positive feedback. That was absolutely awesome. And now let's get started with the new course that I prepared for you today. Conscious Angular Testing. And this course is already released and available. If you scan this QR code, you have to be redirected to the landing page with the scores where you can eventually purchase or enroll into the free version of the course and watch more tutorial lessons that are available for free before you decide if you want to go with the full version of the course or not. And yeah, let's have a look what contains this course. So at this point in time, it contains a bit more than 57 lessons about testing with Angular and videos that are related to testing of the software in general. It is more than 7 hours of video content. And it also includes some homeworks for additional practicing. I didn't do it before with my other courses, but this course was designed in such a way that we do something together, we test some component together, and there you have a very similar component to what we implemented in the lesson, and then you have some description of the task you have to perform, and you have the separate branch, like initial state for this homework. So you have to check out, and then you can apply your knowledge you learned. You can apply it in practice and try to implement everything on your own. And yeah, let's see how it will work out. I'm looking forward for your feedback because I didn't do this thing before, and maybe I'm missing something. So if something doesn't work for you, please let me know. Contact me anyhow by email, in social media, whatever. Things you have to mention, you have to keep in mind, is that there I use Jasmine framework. So no Jest so far. I don't use any third-party libraries like ngmock, though that those are awesome projects. I really recommend you, but the goal was to show Angular testing without, additional libraries, without anything that you have to install somehow additionally. I choose everything what Angular kind of goes by default, so it's Jasmine and without any libraries. And also there is no advanced topics here like harnesses, building CI/CD configuration for testing, or very complex testing of the RxJS stream with this marble testing. It is not included. It was not planned to be included in this course. So if you were looking for something like that, sorry, this course will not bring it to you. And important question, like, for whom is this course? And I designed it for developers who have already experience in Angular development, but they're newbies in Angular testing. And when I started to do research, I was very surprised that this group of people actually quite big. And I know a lot of developers who are like seniors, but when it comes to testing, they feel very uncertain, and so there are a lot of people who works like that. They deliver awesome features, everything works, but with testing it didn't work. And it also for those who tried already to write tests but failed to figure out how it works. I remember that when I started, I had a couple of attempts to step into the testing, and each time I failed because I started to test and tests start to randomly fail. I have no idea how it works, how to fix it. So I just gave up and then delivered features without test, but then I learned everything. I started to write tests. So that was many years ago. And when I tried to figure out why actually it is so hard to step into testing. And like I started to think why it was so difficult for me back then, and I realized that I tried to learn everything in one go. So when you go to Angular documentation, you immediately see this describe it, test beds and karma, Jasmine. Then you already don't understand where ends the Jasmine, where starts the Angular specific stuff. Everything goes mixed up, and then if you are completely beginner in Angular, you encounter dependency injection, change detection, and you are like completely overwhelmed, and you rather give up because it's hard to learn everything in one go, especially when you have pressure at the work that the managers want that you deliver already features as soon as possible. And in this situation, it's hard to find time to figure out things, to figure out how things works and do everything eventually properly. I built this course trying to implement more linear approach. So I start in my course with really the simplest example with the testing theory, and I try to show you the very basic and why we want to write code that actually test another code. Yeah, for me it was at the beginning like strange question, why I have to write a code that tests another code. And here I try to explain you this thing, and I try to show you how it is happening, and I try to explain it by writing some mini testing framework that actually consists of 3 or 4 functions, but still it shows you how like Jest and Jasmine frameworks, they are basically how to explain it. It shows you the basic idea behind the tests and the core concept behind this. And then you better understand the purpose of this all describe functions, purpose of this it test cases, blocks, and so on. And then once we got this base theory, the very basic theory, then we slightly move to the real framework, which is Jasmine in our case. Jasmine and Karma, but Karma it's a test runner. I dedicated only one lesson to it, but mostly we focus there on the Jasmine. We learned the basic API of it. We learn how this it describe function works, which other options brings Jasmine, and so on. So we learn it without Angular context. So we're like slicing the knowledge and then build it as a one puzzle. So first theory, on top of the theory we put already some real framework like Jasmine, and then we cover also some specific topics about Angular that are very important for Angular testing, like change detection, dependency injection, and many other topics that are involved. For example, lifecycle hooks, right? And sometimes developers try to do testing without understanding these core concepts, especially change detection, and they always forget to detect changes in tests, and they give you either false positive results or they unexpected failing at some point in time where you don't expect to do that, and so on. So we kind of take the also testing theory, knowledge about Jasmine, then some specific knowledge about the Angular, and only then we combine this knowledge together and start already write conscious testing. Conscious means we start to understand what we are doing. We understand where is the what belongs to Jasmine, where some specific Angular things are involved, and so on. And it really allows you to understand what you're doing, to not randomly, change the code and hope that at some point in time it start working, and then you just commit it, and don't touch it. Don't touch it anymore, right? So this is what this course supposed to bring to you, and the complexity increases when you follow the course. We start with a really primitive stuff, and then the complexity increases, and each section organically being transformed into another one. So from the theory, go to the Jasmine, then to the Angular, and then Angular testing. So this is how the course was designed, and let's have a look how it is, what exactly included into each of these sections. So first of all, we learn types of test and testing mental model. Then, as I said, we will learn about Jasmine syntax. And we learn about test debugging, how to mock dependencies with spice and stubs. We will have a look how behaves the async code in tests in general, not only in how it happens in Angular, but how it happens in Jest without the Angular context. And in the Angular theory, as I said, we cover how Angular bootstraps, how change detection works, lifecycle hooks, dependency injections, and so on. And in the Angular testing, the third section of it, we start with testing simple functions like util functions. I think every project has such a folder with this pure functions. Those are simplest building block, and we start testing with them. And then we, as I said, increase the complexity and start testing with services, then go services with dependencies. Then we already introduced a test bed, and probably I made a typo test bed. Never mind. We learn what is test bed, what is a fixture, what is debug element, etc. And then we jump to already directives and pipes. Then we test dummy components with inputs and outputs. Then we again increase the complexity and test components with on-push change detection strategy, which for me personally many years ago was really challenge. I couldn't understand how to properly test it. And besides that, I cover also standalone API and ng modules. I try to cover both because still a lot of things written with ng modules, and I decided to include it as well. Then we test content projection. We I also show how to test components with children, means with view dependencies. And I show also how to use such patterns like test host strategy, also setup function, and how to test async code, and many other things. You can go to the landing page. There is a curriculum, and you can just have a look at what is included there. Okay, and now let's continue. And here the thing that is currently not included into the test, but it will be added to this course during the January-February. So this is the section that I unfortunately couldn't manage. Sorry for that, but this course took much more time than I expected. And there I show how to test smart components, how to test HTTP client, how to test components with observables, how to test components with routing, integration tests, and some other things that might be also added. But this is what will be definitely there, but available, as I said, a little bit later. So yeah, keep in mind that if you expected that there will be testing components with observables, which is highly requested thing, yeah, currently it is not available. You can, but it will be available later. And special thanks. And I wanted to say special thanks to Danny Paredes, who actually in chat, I saw him somewhere. Yeah, he helped me with the course review. He found a lot of, so say, not bugs, but improvements where I could improve the course and make it better for you. And here he dropped this nice feedback. Thank you, Danny. I appreciate your help so much. And yeah, please, guys, give credits to him. Follow him on Twitter or X, and also scan this QR code in order to check out his blog. He has really awesome blog. I personally enjoy reading it, and he delivers really high quality content. So highly recommend it, and thank you so much. And another special thanks to Pablo Naduda and Andrei Chaiko. They are my followers who always providing me very rich feedback about everything what I'm doing, and they were the first kind of focus group who checked out the course, and they also provided me some feedback that I didn't have time to put into the slide, but they feedback available on the landing page, so you can check out later. And the course, as I said, it is available. It is available for 99 euros, and for those who bought before the Mighty bundle, it is a bundle of all my courses. This course will be available for free, so you can just go and immediately enjoy this course. But because of this new course, the overall bundle price was pushed a little bit, because it contains now more courses, and you also don't forget that buying the Mighty bundle you pay once, and all future updates, all future courses you will get for free. So you don't buy only current courses, you buy also all the future ones. But despite the price has been increased, there is Black Friday, and Black Friday on my platform will end on November 24 at midnight. And during the Black Friday, I offer the discount for the individual courses 20%. With the following coupon code that actually you can find on the landing page as well. You just have to click the button, apply the coupon, and the price will be discounted. And I offer also 27% discount for Mighty bundle. So basically currently the price for the Mighty bundle remains the same as before, namely it's 179 euro. So you can use this chance to get bundle of all courses with the discounted price. And this was everything. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy the course. If you experience any issues with the course, please let me know. I will try to fix it as soon as possible. It was just released. I tested it a couple of times, but it is always something that you can forget, you can miss, and it might cause some inconvenience. But sorry in advance if you experience that, but I will be working hard in order to fix it as soon as possible. And now it's time for giveaway. So let's get started. I give you another 1-2 minutes to maybe share the video, leave the comment under the video where you have to leave the comment, and meanwhile I will check the chat if everything is fine. Okay, it looks like everything is fine so far. All right. Okay, currently I see a question: can I update from individual to the bundle? Yes, you can. I will. You will soon. You will see in your email, in your inbox, the email, and for those who already bought a couple of my courses, I will do a bit discounted price compared to the current one. So yeah, you will get the bundle with even better price. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed with giveaway and find 5 lucky guys who will win this course for free. So this is the video that like I asked you to leave the comment here, and this video the comments from here will be used for a random winner pick. So I copy this link and go to my randomizer, and let's enter it here. Then we will filter duplicate users. Yeah, will make our giveaway more fair. And then okay, we can pick number of winners. Let's do one by one to not do everything in one go. So now let's click. Okay, some error with this thing. Okay. By the way, do you see on the screen? Oh yeah, you see everything. So filter duplicate users. Did I forget anything? No. So now let's get YouTube comments. And okay, we have 188 YouTube comments. Quite a lot. Yeah. Very good. Now we are ready to figure out who is the first winner, right? So I click this start button, and congratulations, Aquila is the first winner of this course. So how you can get this course? You have to write me an email to my official email. It should be in the video description. Okay, I will better write it into the chat. So okay, you can write either here or just contact me in I don't know, in social media, like in Twitter or in LinkedIn. It doesn't matter. Okay, now we are going to pick another winner, so the second winner, and it is going to be Nur Nur Mohammed, congratulations. You are a winner and you will be enrolled for free in this conscious Angular testing course. Then let's figure out who is the third winner and turn the wheel. And the third winner is Arul. Congratulations. You are the third winner. So let me save it somewhere here. And yeah, the fourth one. The fourth is Serhiy Kolontayevsky. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but congratulations. Yeah, please write me the email and yeah, I will enroll you. And let's figure out who is the last winner. So let's start randomizer, and the last winner is Manish. Manish, congratulations. Welcome to the course. Okay, so you are the fifth winner. Or maybe let's turn another couple of times. So let's do not 5 winners but 7 winners. What do you think about that? I think it would be cool. So let's figure out who is another winner and whatsoever. Well, congratulations. Yeah, contact me and you will be enrolled. Great, and the last one for today. So fingers crossed. So who is gonna be? Mathu Magar. Congratulations. Great, guys. This is it. If you was waiting for giveaway only, you can go, you can proceed with your work or whatever you're going to do. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you will really enjoy the course. I really a little bit nervous by this launch, and I don't know what the feedback will be, but I hope you will like the course. And as I said, now there will be a short QA session, so I will check the chat, and yeah, I will answer your questions. Or you have quite a lot of questions. Okay, just give me a couple of seconds to scan it. Recommendation about any good Angular time picker, daytime picker. Did you check, Brahim, the Angular material ones? I mean, I used only that one, so I can recommend only the material daytime picker. So yeah, if it doesn't work for you, then I don't know what else to recommend. Oh, even Brandon Roberts attended this live stream. Brandon, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this stream. Yeah, Brandon Roberts. He's from the core team of NGRX team. So. Does dynamic form is the same as reactive forms? Asks Sahitra. Sorry if I pronounce wrongly. No, dynamic form, those are forms that are created from JSON. They can be template driven, they can be reactive forms. It is different thing. Reactive forms, it does not equal dynamic forms. Error handler implementation in that course is really handy and flexible. It says Viktor Kurnishenko. I don't know if it means from my course or not. If from my course, yeah, thank you very much, because indeed I'm showing how to handle errors in your code in unit tests as well. Why the course will the course be published through Udemy? No, never. Udemy never. My courses will never appear on Udemy. This is will never happen. I hosted there, but no, not anymore. Okay. Is karma deprecated? Karma is deprecated, yes. As far as I know, it was deprecated since Angular 16 even, or 17, but it is deprecated. As far as I know, Angular team works on kind of bringing Jest kind of natively to Angular, but it is still in experiment mode, as far as I know, according to the last blog post in Angular regarding the Angular 17 release. Okay, Jasmine is compatible with other frameworks too, not only for Angular. Yeah, but by the way, Jest has a very similar API as a Jasmine. Basically, Jest is a fork of Jasmine, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and they have a lot of things the same in terms of API. So, and in the course, I try to keep this common API, and I will show in the course how to migrate to the Jest, and the migration will be really smooth because, yeah, in many cases it is the same. It has differences, of course, but yeah, I will show you in the dedicated video in the course that will be available later a little bit. Okay, so many comments. Is any device screen restriction for purchased courses? No, as far as I know, no, it should not be. If you experience any problems with purchase, just contact me anyhow. Okay. Okay, I think any plans for doing a course about NGRX? Like I would say it is in the short list. But I don't know yet. Let's see. I have a couple of ideas. I want to. Okay, I will create a post with the quiz because I have multiple ideas for the next course, and you will just, pick. You will vote for the most interesting course for you, and I will do it eventually. But NGRX, it's in the short list definitely. Where I am from. I'm from Ukraine. but I have been living in Austria for 7 years, quite a lot. Did I use Nginx Spectator? In production, no. I tried it, and it's. I can say that this is the great library and worth trying, but I don't have any production experience with that, so I cannot more. So my first impression was positive about that. About what I have in mind for upcoming courses, I said I will share with you the separate post, and yeah, you will see this short list what like I can offer where I have enough knowledge to create the course, right? Because like I cannot know everything, and for example, I will not be doing course about SSR rendering because I'm not an expert in this field, unfortunately, and that's why you don't see my videos there, right? Because not enough knowledge yet. Purchasing the complete course bundle will guarantee access to upcoming courses also. Yes, that's the whole idea of this Mighty bundle, to include all the courses like in once, and also future courses. So currently, who bought before the all-in-one courses bundle, currently they get for free this new course. Will be the full course published in 2024 January? Yes, it will be published in like January or February of 2024. So basically in a couple of months. I need some time to finish it, but it's yeah, it's just 3 months. It's maximum. Would there be updates to theming course, theming MTC? This is something I mentioned during the stream. It was already updated to MTC components. Do I recommend using NX monorepos for modern Angular development? Yes, definitely. NX is an awesome tool. I always enjoy working with that. Sometimes it gets tricky. Sometimes when you get a project that where like NX was hacked a little bit. Yeah, it was implemented not NX-ish way, and then you have projects have problems. But if you follow the NX way, they approach, they vision how you have to structure your application and so on, and then it's a really cool tool. About the pricing would be region dependent. Yeah, I offer additional discounts for people from countries like where exchange rate is too high, like India, Bangladesh, I don't know, people from a lot of countries contact me, and I definitely support them. Also students, if you are a student, I also offer additional discounts for you. Just write me email from your student official student email, not from Gmail, not from I don't know which other mails exist except Gmail. I don't know, Yahoo. It doesn't work. It has to be official email from your university. Does the course covers topics like RxJS testing, Marble testing, etc.? No, this is something I mentioned earlier in the stream. It doesn't cover it. Marble testing, it will not even, it will never be included in this course. Maybe I will create some advanced Angular testing, and Marble testing will be included in that course, but in this course it is not included. And also RxJS testing means components with observables. It is temporarily also not included in the current revision. So watch this slide. This is that comes later in January or February. Okay, I think we are 1 hour already live. I think yeah, some of you may be already tired, so I think we can end already the stream again. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you that you found time. Sorry for a bit long stream. Yeah, I tried to keep it as short as possible, but unfortunately I couldn't. Enjoy the course who already purchased the course. I hope you learn a lot of new things there. And anyway, I wish you all great evening, and see you in my next videos that I will publish sometime this year. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much, and yeah, bye bye.